Hello, welcome to the Interesting Things channel. For more interesting information, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Enjoy watching. On some planets, there are spooky and magical things. I researched the 10 weirdest planets in the universe, which seem to belong to fictional movies, for you. Coro 7b. The name of this planet is the planet Raining Stones. Rains are usually cold, dreary and wetter. Rain on this planet is very different. One hemisphere of this planet is very hot, while the other hemisphere is very cool. The hot side of the planet reaches 2,600 degrees. Because this temperature is just enough temperature for the rock fragments at its surface to melt, it evaporates the rock in much the same way that the Earth evaporates puddles. The temperature in the cool part is 190 degrees. So when the rocks that evaporate in the hot part turn into huge stone clouds and are carried by the winds to the cool side, these clouds turn into stone and rain down like magma rains. Can you imagine witnessing this with your own eyes? Huge stones are falling from the sky at every moment of the day. HD 189773b. The name of this planet is Glass Raining Planet. It is located 3 light-years from Earth. It is slightly larger than Jupiter in size. The planet's unusual color is due to the fact that its atmosphere consists mostly of silicate particles. The planet is covered with winds reaching 8,700 km per hour, that is, 7 times faster than the speed of sound. Just imagine the view: the clouds coming from behind the horizon. The wind suddenly accelerates to 8,700 km per hour and the sky is bursting with pouring rain. Rains, on the other hand, are made of glass particles instead of rocks this time. Due to the planet's extremely high surface temperatures, the silicon particles are condensed into glass form by the perpetual winds. If such a storm had suddenly occurred on Earth, it would have traveled around the equator in just 5 hours and 33 minutes and wiped out everything. HD 189733b. The temperature on the Sun-facing side of the gas cloud planets usually reaches 965 degrees. The temperature on the dark side is not lower than 700 degrees. This small temperature difference between the two sides is due to extremely fast winds. The speed of the wind, which is 10 km per second here, reaches 3,600 km per hour, that is, almost 29 times faster than the speed of sound. The fastest wind ever recorded in the world was during a hurricane in Oklahoma in 1999, reaching speeds of 580 km per hour. This recorded hurricane is 73 times slower than the normal breeze on HD 189733b. If you try to stand on the surface of this planet, you can get caught in a storm and fly around the entire planet in about 1 hour and 8 minutes. Trace 2b. It is the darkest planet. It is 750 light-years from our solar system. It reflects less than 1% of the light hitting its surface, making it the darkest planet in the universe. One of the reasons for this is the light-absorbing gases that make up the bulk of this planet. If you turn on your flashlight while standing in an astronaut suit, you will not be able to see anything because your light has been swallowed. Scientists don't know exactly why it's so dark. Another feature is that some parts of the gas mass burn like coal. 55 Cancri E. Its name is Diamond Planet. This planet shines like a diamond in space. The reason for this is that it is a really huge diamond. This planet is almost twice the size of the Earth and is made up of 1/3 pure diamond. This planet is covered with carbon and so dense that all carbon is in pure diamond form. Its distance is 40 light-years from Earth. Even if you got the diamonds on this planet and brought them into the world, you would lower the value of the diamonds in the world. It is best to admire this planet from the outside. HD 188753 AB. Its name is 3-star planet. It is a planet 149 light-years from Earth and has 3 suns. If you lived on this planet you would have 3 shadows and would see constant solar eclipses. You could see the most interesting sunset and sunrise in the universe. You can witness 3 sunrises in the morning and 3 sunsets in the evening. But once you step onto this planet, you can't stand there both because of the heat and the stuffiness. GJ1214b. Imagine you are in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. There is no land to see around. This planet, 47 light-years from Earth, is exactly that. We know that 70% of the Earth is covered with water, but that is only 0.005% of the total mass of the Earth. However, 10% of the total mass of the planet we are talking about is water. This planet is covered by a huge ocean. The radius of the planet is 2.5 times the Earth, and in total it is 6.5 times larger than the Earth. If we look at the creatures living in the world's oceans 11 kilometers deep, who knows what kind of life there are in the oceans of this planet? Gliese 436b. The name of the planet is Burning Iceball. This planet is literally a ball of ice in flames. The icy surface of the planet is constantly burning in flames at 439 degrees. So how does ice defy chemistry and stay completely intact at 439 degrees? The gravitational force of the planet is so strong that it pulls the melting ice water towards its core. Thanks to its gravitational pull, the ice is firmly compressed and does not evaporate no matter how much it burns. WASP-12b. The name of the planet is Hell Planet. This planet is doomed to be slowly eaten by its own star. In orbit extremely close to its star, it reaches unpredictable temperatures and is swirled around the star extremely quickly. Its mass is pulled into the star piece by piece. Although it is almost the same size as Jupiter, it loses 6 billion metric tons of mass every second. It has lost so much mass that it is no longer a sphere but an egg-shaped. The surface temperature is 2,200 degrees and 1 year here is only 26 hours. Kepler 438b. The planet's name is Alien Planet. I am describing this planet not because it has an extremely interesting feature, but because it has no interesting feature. Because it is the most Earth-like planet out of all the planets found so far. Earth Resemblance Index is a standard measure of how similar another planet is to Earth. A score of 1 means that it resembles the world in every way, and a score of 0 means that it is not like the world in any way. Kepler 438b has an interesting similarity of 0.88 points. It has important conditions for life in space and is covered with cliffs, as on Earth. Its proximity and distance from its parent star is in equilibrium and in the habitable range. It is the planet most similar to Earth with its water resources, climate and other features. Human-like alien creatures may be alive. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you.